Fam, so apparently the Sema truck's here and it wasn't supposed to be here till next week, but I got a surprise phone call this morning. We're gonna head over there and check it out, see what we're getting into. We just got here. Let's go see what it looks like.
Hi.
What up? What's going on? This is the shitter, huh? Yep. You check it out yet? Yep. Should be fun. First impressions, we have a lot of work to do, but should be pretty cool. Sema truck 2019, let's get it. So due to it being a Sema truck, we really can't post too much information about it, so I'm just gonna give you guys a couple glamour shots, and you can kind of get the gist of it from there. And then after the shots, I'm gonna give you guys a behind the scenes look at what Nick and Diego do and kind of what this build is going to entail. So that was kind of a behind the scenes, so you can kind of get an idea of what's going to go on with the build. And I promise I'm going to leak as much information on this build as I possibly can without getting in trouble. And I guess just stay tuned for more videos. Check it out.